Senior Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We have got my man Bobby Baker's beautiful 500-gallon trailer rig. Just finished up, rolled it outside, wiped her down. Damn, does she look slick. Let's get a little walk around on it, guys. So first off, Bobby, he drove up to Knoxville, came, sat down with us, designed his rig with us, told us what all he wanted, what he was expecting, and I think we knocked it out of the park for him. So let's check it out. First off, it is on a TMG built tandem axle, 12,000 pound capacity trailer. Right, guys, we build all of our trailers in-house, no matter if it's a little single axle trailer up to a triple axle 44-foot gooseneck trailer. We build them all in-house, and we build them strong, and we design them around your setup. So basically, we sat down with Bobby. He said, I want this, this, this on the trailer, and then we designed the trailer around that setup to fit it all perfectly. We try and keep everything as compact as possible, but still as versatile and as useful as possible. So that's what we've done here. Up front, we've got some wood storage. Also have 2 propane tank holders for his, first he's got a single burner on the driver's side here. He's got one of our El Camal griddle tops to go on top. You got a 10-inch single burner. So throw your griddle top on there, set your potter pan up there, works great. You got your regulator on the end of the line there. Coming down the trailer, you can see that slick gloss black paint. Guys, all of our trailers, we send them off, get sandblasted, come back and get a high gloss direct to metal paint. Holds up really well, looks very slick, really stands out. Talking about standing out, check out this 500-gallon pit. Now, obviously, we did do a custom paint job on this pit. This is ruby red metallic tri-coat. Whew, damn, did it come out nice. Open her up here. So on the 500-gallon pit, you get 2 sliding top trays here. And you get 3 bottom trays. They are removable, but they don't slide out. They just set down in there. So you got a lot of cook space in here. We got a 1.5-inch grease drain on it with a ball valve on the end. Counterweighted doors, that comes standard on the 500. You got the TMG Pits tail true thermometer. You also have that fold down stack. That is standard on all of our tank smokers from a 250 all the way up to 1,000. They all get that. On the wheel and tire setup, this is our white wall tire and Baby Moon hubcap package. So we have paint matched the wheels to its smoker. Then got the white wall tires. Those come from Cali Tire out in California. They make them, ship them over to us. Baby Moon hubcaps. We got the matching TMG Pits fender logo there, as well as the stainless steel fender topper. That way you can set stuff on top of your fender without messing it up. Of course, we got the paint match custom logo there on the side of this fully insulated firebox here. Guys, all of our tank smokers get a fully insulated firebox. So we got a 24-inch pipe inside here, wrapped with insulation. Obviously, you can see here the door's insulated. The front of the firebox is insulated as well. So it holds heat very nicely. So it makes this pit a dream to run. Now on the back side here, we ain't done yet. We've got not just 1, but 2 of our stainless steel prep tables. So you unlatch this and it folds up to where you can get to all your storage underneath. Fold it back down, lock it up, prep off of it, serve off of it. You got a lot of extra area here on this side. Next to that, we've got one of our 48-inch Santa Maria grills. This is a very popular add-on to our trailer models. Raise and lower your cooking grate there. You got the double door set up on the front to tend your fire. It does have built-in grease drains front and back. Lower that back down. These things are great, guys. Fun to cook on, puts on a show if you're out catering. People love to see you cooking on a live fire. We got the 6-gallon Cajun fryer right here, double basket. Got the grease drain on the back, drains grease all the way down. Propane powered, it's got its own regulator up here as well. We finish them off with a matching spare tire here. Guys, this was one hell of a build here. Bobby, we appreciate you. Had a blast building it. Can't wait for you to get it. Start cooking some great barbecue on it. So guys, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.